Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road. Power for this 4Runner comes from a 4.0 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. We also have the A-Trac advanced off-road system inside. Taking a look up, we've got our black roof rails, and from the side we've got our tinted privacy glass as well as our color matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. We also have the full-length running boards and the TRD alloy wheels. Moving around to the front, we're going to find a hood scoop as well as fog lights and the blacked out grille with chrome trim. Inside we have a ton of cool features too, so let's hop right into this 5-passenger 4Runner and check out what's going on in there. So jumping inside, if we check out the left door panel here, we've got our power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as our automatic high beams. And checking out the dash up here, we've got our safety features such as our lane departure alert and forward collision mitigation system. Right here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we will find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And then over here on the right, we will find controls for scrolling through info up on your dash, as well as your quick buttons for your safety features. And right in here is your adaptive cruise control. Taking a look at the center console, we have a full navigation system, as well as an AM/FM stereo with Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription and Bluetooth. Moving down, we've got our dual zone electronic climate control, along with air conditioning, rear window defrost, and heated mirrors. And our auxiliary power input and USB input can be found right there. Right here, you've got your four-wheel drive shifter. And checking out the center console, we're going to find our front heated seats and our rear window defrost. If we pop up here and take a look, we're going to find all of our off-road options, as well as the universal garage door opener and the locking differential and the controls for your power tilt and slide moonroof. Just swinging around here, we've got this beautiful black leather interior with the TRD badging. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back of this 4Runner. Moving around to the back, we've got our color matched rear spoiler, as well as our full slide down power rear window. You've got your trailer hitch right down at the bottom, and we'll also find our Toyota and 4Runner badging. Opening up the lift gate, we're going to find a nice carpeted cargo area with plenty of room and the cargo shade, and these are 60/40 fold down seats, so you can expand that cargo space while still keeping room for passengers, as well as cargo tie downs and another power outlet in there for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to look over this 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Sport with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this 4Runner and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.